What if I told you that the key to healing your body is not in a doctor's prescription but in your own mind? Sounds unbelievable, but science proves that your subconscious mind has the power to boost recovery, relieve pain, and transform your health. You might be wondering, how does this work? Can you really train your mind to heal your body? Stick with me because by the end of this video, you will learn how to tap into your subconscious mind and activate your body's natural healing capabilities. Your subconscious mind is like the control center of your body. It manages automatic functions like heartbeat, digestion, breathing without you even thinking about it. But here's what most people don't realize. It also plays a massive role in healing. For example, think about a time when you were sick but had to stay strong for an important event. Think about a time when you were sick but had to stay strong for an important event. Despite feeling weak, you managed to push through, and later you recovered faster than expected. Why? Because your subconscious mind followed the belief that you had to be strong. Your body responded accordingly. Let us see what the science tells. The placebo effect. Scientists have studied something called the placebo effect, where people take sugar pills believing they are real medicines, and actually they recover because the subconscious mind accepted the belief that they were healing. This triggered their body's natural healing mechanism, neuroplasticity. Your brain constantly changes based on your thoughts. This is called neuroplasticity. If your mind is filled with stress, negativity, and fear, your body weakens. But if you train your subconscious to focus on healing, your body starts working on your favor. Technique 1: Healing Visualization. Your mind doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. So, when you visualize healing, your body starts acting on it. How to do it? Close your eyes and picture bright healing light flowing through your body. Imagine it repairing damaged cells and energizing your body. Feel yourself getting stronger and healthier every breath. Example: athletes use this technique to recover from injuries faster by visualizing their muscle becoming stronger. Technique 1: Healing Visualization. Your mind doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. So, when you visualize healing, your body starts acting on it. Let's see how to do it. Close your eyes and picture bright healing light flowing through your body. Imagine it repairing damaged cells and energizing your body. Feel yourself getting stronger and healthier every breath. Example: athletes use this technique to recover from injuries faster by visualizing their muscle becoming stronger. Technique 2: Positive affirmations. Your subconscious believes what you repeatedly tell it. If you keep saying, "I am sick," your body will stay sick. But if you say, "My body is healing," your subconscious will trigger healing responses. Here are some examples of affirmations. My body is strong and heals quickly. Every day I am becoming healthier and more energetic. The best time to do affirmation is right before the first 15 minutes. The sleep is essential for the subconscious. This is the time when the subconscious is most active, and the right after when you wake up. This is a time to set healing mindset for the day. Technique 3: Gratitude practice. Gratitude rewires your subconscious to focus on what's working instead of what's wrong. Here is how to do it. Every night, write down three things you appreciate about your body. For example, I am grateful for my strong heart. I appreciate my body's ability to recover. I love how my lungs provide me with fresh oxygen. You might ask what the proof for this. Let me tell a real life story. This story is about Morris Goodman, who is called the Miracle Man. Morris Goodman was in a terrible plane crash. Doctors said he will never walk again, never breathe on his own. But he refused to believe that. Instead, he visualized himself walking out of the hospital every single day. He told himself, I am healing. He imagined his muscles growing stronger. And guess what? He did exactly what he imagined. He revived his subconscious mind and recovered against all odds. Here's what you need to do for the next 7 days. In the morning, say the healing affirmations aloud. You can tell these affirmations 5 times in a day. In the daytime, spend 5 minutes visualizing a healthy and strong body. In the night, write 3 things you appreciate about your body. Do this consistently and you will start feeling the transformation. Your subconscious mind is your greatest healer. You don't have to rely on external treatments. Your body already has powerful healing abilities within you. Start using these techniques today. And if you ever experience the power of your mind in healing, share your story in the comments. Together, let's unlock the miracle power of our subconscious mind.